Today we dive into Zêzere River in Portugal, a rare glimpse of a native European river still in pristine condition. The fish you'll see here are bogas, also known as Portuguese straight mouse naze, and this is a crucial breeding grounds for this species, as you'll see throughout this short documentary. So let's now enter the water and let's discover what lies beneath the surface. So these fish bogas, they only can be found in Iberian Peninsula, Portugal and Spain. And to my surprise, and sadly, I find this sick fish, and it is in fact a quite reminder that disease exists in nature as well, not only in our aquariums. But I see thousands of other fish, and everything was alright. Here you can see a boga chewing on some kind of algae. They mainly feed by grazing on biofilm, covers everything here. You can see this sandy substrate. So these biofilms is full of tiny crustaceans, and it is an important and constant source of food for this fish. This river flows on bedrock, so it is plausible that you will hear 1,000 years ago. This part of the river is not very far away from the spring. It is in fact on the mountains, and this river starts on Serra da Estrela. You can see an absolutely beautiful color on this biofilm, quite slippery as well. The vegetation around the river was of a special green. This is an Iberian green frog. Can be found in Portugal and Spain. And there was a colony of these little beetles doing their work back and forth on moss. This part of the river was a little side channel, but it was full of life. Wherever I put my camera, I'll find a beautiful little world. As an aquarist, I try to find inspiration in nature. And here, as you can see, the bottom was full of moss and stones. The vegetation around the river was exuberant. I was indeed comforted to see so many baby fish. This is a reproduction area of great importance for the species. The bottom of the river was mostly sand and bedrock. This sand is provenient from the erosion of the bedrock that the water has been doing for thousands of years. The vegetation around was completely astonishing, and the rocks show signs of millions of years of erosion. In fact, this river is estimated to be between 1 and 3 million years, a glacial river. One of the most astonishing things in this river was the thick layer of biofilm and algae. We can see here, and I'll stop the image here soon. We can see here the production of oxygen. These algae are making photosynthesis very hard. In fact, half of the oxygen that we have in our atmosphere is made by algae. And I hope this video may be informative. And you can see how an European native old river looks like in today in 25. So bye bye, I hope you like it.